This is WIA Korean. We produce our own Korean course and upload it to our own channels in many languages. This is our backend uploader. It authenticates with us and uploads via the YouTube data API. These are our own channels, one per language: English, Vietnamese, Indonesian. Our English master course, all 16 episodes uploaded. The same course localized into Vietnamese uploaded per language. All 16 episodes are already uploaded to each channel, so I'll skip the live upload here and show you the published result in the browser. English channel.
Almost every alphabet on Earth grew slowly, by accident, over thousands of years. But one was invented on purpose, by a single person, and we know exactly why every letter is shaped the way it is.
Vietnamese. Same course localized.
Hầu hết mọi bảng chữ cái trên trái đất phát triển chậm rãi, một cách tình cờ, trong hàng ngàn năm. Nhưng một bảng chữ cái đã được phát minh, có chủ đích, bởi một người duy nhất, và chúng ta biết chính xác.
Indonesian.
Hampir setiap alfabet di bumi tumbuh perlahan, secara kebetulan, selama ribuan tahun. Tapi satu alfabet
All content is our own original course. We upload to our own channels. Only localized per language. The quota increase lets us publish our languages on schedule. Thank you.